we were trying to show our son how to clean up a spill. And we wanted to watch a video or find a video on techniques.
But the convenient thing is there's literally, we searched for 30 minutes straight. There's
That's an
no
exaggeration.
videos.
We did search and we couldn't find any instructional videos. We saw cute videos, little kids trying to clean up but making a mess and just spreading it. So Mahia's mama and son decided we're gonna do a video.
Son is me.
So we're gonna take, we were at Taco Bell after karate, and we're gonna take some liquid soda because what happens when you spill soda? It's sticky, so you have to clean it up. But you gotta get it all up and not smear it everywhere. And we're gonna take goldfish because crumbs are another issue, not just liquid. So, what are you gonna do to your goldfish? You gotta make crumbs. What are you gonna do?
Yeah, I'm gonna.
Okay,
Done.
we now have crumbs. Okay,
Yay!
everybody's know, and you don't have a vacuum.
I like crumbs.
I do too, but not when we're trying to clean them up. If we don't have a vacuum. So, we got 3 goldfish with crumbs. That should be good, don't you think?
Yeah.
Okay. And we also have a microfiber cloth. This is a Norwex. We're not being paid by Norwex.
Microfiber.
Our friend sells Norwex. It's awesome if you don't have it. But we also have paper towels. Paper towels work as well, but we're going to show the difference. So, before we do the goldfish, we're also going to, if you don't know this trick, what do?
So, we put our fingers on top of the lid,
Well, yeah, you got to first have your straw in the liquid.
and then we take it out.
Uh-huh.
And then once we take it off,
There goes our liquid. So now we have liquid that is spilled. So we have spilled liquid and we have crumbs.
yay, we spill.
So
This place is dirty.
if you put a paper towel, what happens?
It absorbs it.
Yes, it does. And you lift it. What do you still have there?
Lots
You might
and
not be
lots
able
of
to see,
moisture.
but you can feel there's still liquid there.
You see, there's a thing right there,
Mm-hmm.
and it kind of shines. That's the moisture.
Okay. So then you would have to take a paper towel and go like this
Yay.
to get it all up, which it can be done. However, what happens with crumbs? Can you do that with crumbs? They're not getting absorbed.
That's not how it works.
No.
The-
And if we just go back and forth or
That-
just pull up,
And that's what the liquid looks like if you see it.
yeah. And even if we go back and forth, we're still not picking up the liquid.
It's not doing anything. Why?
You have to go from outside in and bring it to a pile. So you're not spreading it, right?
So that's why.
And then you would pick it up.
Ooh.
But there's still some left. So you would fold it and pick it up again. And you'd have more in there. Okay. So, now,
We wasted breakfast.
what happens if we do it with a microfiber cloth? We still have some of our goldfish.
Lots and lots and lots and lots and lots of goldfish. All mine. All mine. You have nothing to see here.
Okay.
Lots of goldfish. Just all
Right,
being
but we
mine.
want them in a pile,
Ah!
right?
No, my goldfish.
Because we're teaching how to wipe up, and you're going to do this. Now, look at the difference with a microfiber.
Ooh.
You still have moisture there, you see that?
Yeah.
But feel,
There's no moisture. Except there's a little bit. right
tiny bit, way less. And you can throw this in the washer, it saves you money. But If you don't have microfiber, we still want you to learn the technique.
Yeah.
So, here's your microfiber. You show me how you clean up crumbs.
I clean them up. Like, okay, so let's get just all of that. Still a little
That
left.
didn't work.
Fold
Why did
it.
it not work?
Pat. Because I didn't scoop it all up, I didn't grip hard enough, and I just wiped it.
Because our hand, and what else did you learn here? If this was liquid or ketchup. What about this? Show them. What about
So-
this? What about this? What happens? I'm going to liquid. What happens to my shirt?
There's lots of goldfish on it.
Right.
Even
So
though
what's the
there's not a
first thing you should do before cleaning up a spill?
goldfish?
What's the first thing?
Before cleaning up a spill, you must always make sure your sleeves are up.
Right.
Very important rule.
Because
Remember it.
we don't want to get our spill on our clothes. Okay. Here, you attempted it.
Yes, I did.
Hand, the side here. You want
Ooh.
to cup it. Cup, 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 cup. We are making it outside in.
Oh.
We're bringing it to safety.
Yeah, we rescued goldfish crumbs. That totally didn't need saving.
Close it.
Ah.
Still some there. Keep these closed. You got this side.
Stitch, stitch, stitch. It's closed now.
Ta-da. No more
Ta-da!
goldfish.
It's magic.
Now,
Stitched it.
the test is if your kids can do it. Let's see if he can.
Ah.
And you shake them off in your sink or your garbage can. There's your crumbs.
Bye. I'm going to another world.
No, you're not. You're coming here. We still have more goldfish crumbs.
I fell back down from the planet of planet, alien, planet, Candyland, planet,
Okay, planet.
dimension,
You see if you can get these crumbs now with your
C4 dimension.
cup hand. Outside in.
Ta-da!
Yeah, you see?
Magic!
They can be taught, people. They can be taught. So good luck and happy cleanup on all your spills.